welcome to a new tutorial with GretaWings. This little star is about 3 inches, depending on the yarn that you prefer. This one is Symphonia brand yarn and it's about 3 millimeters. And I will use 2.5 millimeters hook. We need stuffing, wool needle, and that's it. It's everything. I hope you like it and you want to do it. Then let's start. I will use yellow colored yarn, and on round 1 we will start with a magic ring and 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you can close the magic ring, put some mark just if you think that is necessary. We will work in a spiral, and on round 2 we will make 6 increase. 1 single crochet, 1 more in the same base, and we already have the first increase. Just continue doing increase until finish this round with 12 stitches. On round 3 we will start with a slip knot, and then the first tip, starting with 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Working on the back loops only, we will start with 1 slip stitch, one slip stitch on the chain number 2 from the hook. In the next chain, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Skip 1 stitch, and in the next one, 1 slip stitch. Tip number 2, starting with 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the second chain, taking the back loops only, 1 slip stitch, in the next chain, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, and in the last chain, 1 half double crochet. I'm so sorry. Now you don't need to skip any point. In the next one, 1 slip stitch. Doesn't keep a stitch, nothing. Tip number 3, 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. In the second one, 1 slip stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Skip 1 stitch, and in the next one, 1 single crochet. 1 slip stitch. Again, 1 small tip with 4 chains. In the second one, 1 slip stitch. In the next one, 1 single crochet, and 1 half double crochet in the last chain. Doesn't skip any point, and in the next one, 1 slip stitch. And now on the tip number 5 will be, that tip will be the bigger one. The 9 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. In the second one, 1 slip stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip one stitch, and in the next one slip stitch. Tip number 6. Again, one small tip. 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the second one slip stitch. The next chain, one single crochet. And in the last chain, one half double crochet. Doesn't skip any point. And in the next stitch, one slip stitch. Tip number 7. 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. In the second chain, one slip stitch. In the next chain, one single crochet, one half double crochet, and 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Skip one stitch, and in the next one slip stitch. And one more small tip. The number 8. 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the second chain, one slip stitch, one single crochet, and in the last chain, one half double crochet. We need make 2 equal pieces like this one. One more. I'm already made that one. This is the second one that I made. You don't need return. Put again the video. I'm so sorry, because I will share the subtitles with you. Okay, just wait. You just need repeat exactly the same. Okay, from round 1 to 3 with all the tips. When you finish the first one, you don't need leave a long yarn. You just need made one slip stitch on the same point stitch that you made the first slip stitch on this round. Okay, just put it on the back. Then when you finish the second piece, I will cut these threads. When you finish the second piece, please don't cut the yarn, because we will continue with the union. I will make this union with both pieces, making a slip stitch. But if you want to sew in, you can also do it, okay? I will try to explain this because my English is not the best. But just put both stars, both pieces, the same position, and just make this that I will make now. I'm so sorry. For me, this is the front, okay? Then just make like this. Again, just make this. And like that, make sure that you have the bigger tip with the another bigger tip, for example. I will work in taking the back loops only on both pieces. Here, I will start on the first slip stitch on the last round, taking the last the back loop only. And on the another piece, the same, just the back loop. And like that, I will make slip stitch around all the start. You have exactly the same points, the same stitches on each on both pieces. Then making a slip stitch around all the border, you will have that beautiful result. But I'm repeat again, if you doesn't like this, you can take the wool needle and just sew in. Then pay close attention. I will show you a little how to make this. Also, before close completely, I will put just some stuffing, just a little, not too much. And that's it, we'll be ready this start. And this little start is ready. I hope you like it. I'm already made 2 stars like this one. And if you want to know more about how I will prepare, decorate our nativity things, we have another channel. The name is Las Alas de Greta in Spanish, but you can see my videos yet because you can put the subtitles. We have many videos there, and I will upload more coming soon. I just invite you. It's in Spanish, but you can change and put the subtitles in the language that you prefer. And with this, we almost finished this video. I hope and you really like this pattern, and if it's like that, let me know with your like and your comment. I'm really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet, well, I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.